Yeah. Yeah. All facts. All facts. Yeah. Yeah. These bitches know that they'll never see this dick again. And they ain't been taking it well. Niggas tryna act like they still my man, but they ain't faking it well. I'm the king of getting back on my feet, so don't try to me about taking no L. And these niggas moving crazy, you can see it in their face, they just waiting to tell. Dang, all that gossip and shit got me in my bag. I don't fuck with no bitch ass niggas, and I don't rock with no deadbeat dads. All my niggas about they business. And I told my son, like, look, if something happened to me, your little ass better look out for your sister. I ain't with that new age parenting, gotta raise my two different. And God knows I'm raising that pole, let a motherfucker talk about my children. Cause I don't play with the fam, I'm known to play in them streets. I'll let you play on that gram, don't care what you say, you a scram. I don't say shit, I just blame. No, I gotta keep the little one safe, so it ain't no guns around my son. Nah, but don't make me drop him off. This is double back and come knock you off. You know the problem with these niggas nowadays? They too tough for their own good. Putting on the show when you out of city, nigga, you ain't even tough in your own hood. Niggas I thought was real ended up being corny. Could've took them off my snap, instead I just muted they stories. And you still crying broke, but you ain't got off your ass yet. Been home 3 years and ain't fuck a bitch with my These bitches know that they'll never see this dick again. And they ain't been taking it well. Niggas tryna act like they still my man, but they ain't faking it well. I'm the king of getting back on my feet, so don't cry to me about taking no L. And these niggas moving crazy, you can see it in their face, they just waiting to tell. Damn, all that gossip and shit got me in my bag. I don't fuck with no bitch ass niggas, and I don't rock with no deadbeat dads. All my niggas about they business. And I told my son, like, look, if something happened to me, your little ass better look out for your sister.